This is my story. This is my story. Yeah. Emakasi akhula ngephupho elilula, ikhaya ligcwele uthando manje seliyathula. Umama nobaba sebahamba ngasala ngedwa, ngiphethe izingane zami ngingasakwazi nokuphefumula. Ifriji ayinanto, izikweletu zikhala, ngilwela impilo yabo kodwa impilo iyangilahla. Ngikhale ebusuku bada kukhozwa, ngithi Nkosi ngisize kodwa bonakala kumnyama. Bathi ngiyalahleka, they don't understand. Ababona ubuhlungu engikuphatha ngezandla zami, bahlulela ngaphandle kokwazi story yami. But I'm just trying to keep my siblings alive. I'm just a gassy girl trying to survive. Ngiphethe ubuhlungu kodwa ngisabamba impilo. People talk, they judge me from outside, kodwa abakwazi ukuthi ngilwa kanjani insuku zonke. Ngiyakhala ngaphakathi, I'm breaking inside, but ngiyazama ukusindisa abafowethu nodadewethu. Hambe emigwaqweni funa ithemba, every door closed, akukho ngisho umsebenzi. Thwele umthwalo ngaphezu kweminyaka yami, ngizama ukuvusa ikhaya lishone nabazali. Abantu bayahleba bathi ngilahlekile, they don't know the sacrifices engiwenzile. I smile outside but inside I cry. Ngiphila impilo engingayikhethanga kodwa ngiyazama. Ababona izinyabezi, ababona ubusuku, they only see mistakes, they don't see the truth. Ngiphethe umndeni emahlombe, even when I fall, ngiyavuka futhi. I'm just a gassy girl trying to survive. Ngiphethe ubuhlungu kodwa ngisabamba impilo. People talk, they judge me from outside, kodwa abakwazi ukuthi ngilwa kanjani insuku zonke. Ngiyakhala ngaphakathi, I'm breaking inside, but ngiyazama ukusindisa abafowethu nodadewethu. Uma ngazi iqiniso lami, please don't judge me. Ngilahlekile emhlabeni yonke namusa kimi. I didn't choose this pain, I didn't choose this road, bangithwele umthwalo onzima kakhulu. Nkosi ngikhwela amandla, ngikhwela ukukhanya, ngisize ngiphume kule mpilo emnyama. I'm just a gassy girl kodwa ngiqinile ngaphakathi, ngilwa nsuku zonke for my family's life. People see my pain but they don't see my fight, kodwa ngisazobamba, ngisazophila. Ngiyakhala, I'm hurting but I won't give up, ngoba uthando lwabo lunginika amandla. Emakasi ngiyakhula ebuhlungwini, but ngisaphila, ngisazama. This is my story.